guys, today we're going to make nice and delicious crispy mini samosas. These are mid, so you may say Keema, mini samosas. So let's begin with the ingredients. 500 grams of washed mince, 1 cup of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, crushed dried red chilies to taste, garam masala half a teaspoon. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link in the description. Cumin powder or zina powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 2 tablespoons. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder to taste. Fennel seed powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Half a cup of coriander leaves. 1 cup of peas. And salt to taste. To a pan, we're only going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, not a lot, because too much oil makes the samosa filling very oily and it doesn't taste as good. We're adding olive oil. You can add any oil you want. Firstly, add in your onions, add your salt, give that a mix, and then let that cook until the colour changes in the onion. Once it has slightly changed colour, we're going to add our ginger and garlic paste. Stir that in. And then we're going to add our mince, because we're not going to add water to this. So the water that comes out of the mince will dry up here. Give it a mix. Now we're going to add our spices and everything, so they don't burn later, so don't add them later. It's looking nice and colourful. Now you're going to mix that in as well. Now you're going to cook until it's dry and the water is gone. Now once it's dried, add in your peas. And mix that in. And then, look at these. Now we're just going to give it last 2 minutes cooking. After that, you're going to leave it to cool down completely. So we have homemade samosa sheets. If you want to know how to make homemade samosa sheets, check the link in the description. We have a tutorial for that. Or you can use ready-made ones brought from the shops. And for that, we're going to make a little thin batter paste. And we're going to have half a cup of flour, create a well in the middle, and then pour water to get the right consistency needed. We'll show you the consistency at the end. This should be the batter consistency like this. So you get one of your samosa sheets and fold in one of the corners and place a bit of your paste and seal it with another corner and seal it. And then through this pocket, you're going to add your filling. Now get a bit of your paste and go around the edges where you're going to seal it. Fold in the other side and then fold this to overlap so it's nicely sealed. And we're just going to do the rest like this. Next, you're going to deep fry your mini samosas in boiling hot oil until they are nice and crispy golden brown. Move them around gently so they don't burn and fry evenly. Once they have reached this colour, they are done. So here we have our mini minced samosas. They're very cute as they are small, and you can keep them in the deep freezer. If you want to keep them in the deep freezer, don't fry them and just keep them in there. And whenever you feel like having a samosa, you can take them out and deep fry it. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.